And after a lot of sanding, as you can see, this thing actually looks pretty cool and the edges are round, and this took a lot of time to do. Not only my room is filled with dust and I've also drilled the holes, and as you can see, this is our ball caster for the front, and these are our two giant motors, geared motors, which I have screwed down in here. So you can see it's pretty much it. Now we have to place the PCB in here. PCB in the exposer is not adjusting. My camera. Now I have to place the PCB in here, and certain power sources is something here or in the top, and put the whole thing in here. So you can, as you can see, this looks kind of cool, right? And also remember, while working with acrylic sheets, do not peel off this front and back, because when everything is over, you can peel it and feel the coolness. If you peel right now or while cutting, or after buying, then there is a huge probability of scratching the whole thing out. Okay, so better everything is just finished and then you just peel off. Cutting this thing with hacksaw is a little bit risky. I kill my finger. So here is an expert advice. You can use a jigsaw to cut your acrylic sheets. If you don't want to cut your I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down for the opposite, and do share and subscribe to our syllabus, and hit that notification bell icon to get notified about my latest uploads. And this is Malhar, you are watching Out of Syllabus. I am signing off.